Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should be the airplane icon. Looks like an airplane, basically. That's the airplane mode icon, and to enable the mode, simply tap on it. You will see the message airplane mode on. The icon will get highlighted, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you go back to watch face, on the bottom of the screen you will also see the airplane mode icon, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And to disable the mode, open the quick panel again, find the airplane mode icon, tap on it. You will see the message airplane mode off. The icon will go back to gray color, and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.